हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ आकांक्षा एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आज की वीडियो में मैं एक चैलेंज करने वाली हूँ जिसके अंदर मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे लिए एक आउटफिट, एक लुक चूज़ करेंगे एंड आई आस्क्ड देम फ्यू क्वेश्चंस। आई डिवाइडेड द लुक इन 5 categories. The 5 categories are the clothing, footwear, accessories, hair and makeup. So these are the 5 categories and I did a poll on my Instagram with my friends and they just chose a look for me जो मेजॉरिटी में था. आई हैव डन दैट एंड या विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. तो आज की वीडियो में जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स होने वाले हैं आई विल ट्राई टू लिंक देम ऑल इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. इफ यू वांट टू चेक आउट यू कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. And also if I am not able to find anything, so I'll just mention that product. You can go and check in your nearby stores. Alright, so for this video I just asked my friends to answer questions. I distributed the questions in 5 categories. The first category was the outer category, the second was the footwear category, the third was the accessory category, the fourth was the makeup category and the fifth was the hair category. So for the outer category I asked them to choose between ethnic and western. So here are the results and अगर मुझे ये चूज़ करना पड़ता कि मुझे क्या चूज़ करना है, सो आई वुड प्रेफर एथनिक बिकॉज जिसके साथ काफ़ी सारे वेरिएशंस आई नो पर्सनली जो मैं कर सकती हूँ. बट फॉर वेस्टर्न मैं खुद चूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. सो या इट्स आउट ऑफ माई कम्फर्ट जोन. आई विल enjoy this and I'll try my best to create a good look with the western outfit. Yeah, so for the outfit I have a jumpsuit with me. I just chose a very dark color. Dark color would be a good choice for it. So yeah, I have chosen this jumpsuit. This is a velvet jumpsuit and the color is extremely dark. It's purple wine and yeah, it's really comfortable and really beautiful. कभी जब weather change होता है, you can wear this in any occasion like going to a party or a formal meeting. You can wear this and it's really comfortable. And the best part is it has a short sleeves. Like you can see there are short sleeves. It is a off-shoulder jumpsuit and the best part for girls, like we girls just need pockets in our outfit and सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हमारे को यही होती है बिकॉज आउटफिट जो हमारे होते हैं उनमें पॉकेट्स नहीं होती. अगर पॉकेट्स होती है तो बहुत छोटी छोटी पॉकेट्स होती हैं. बट इन दिस आउटफिट वी हैव पॉकेट्स ऑन बोथ द साइड्स एंड यस इट्स सो डीप. नॉर्मल फ़ोन जो होता है वो पूरा इसके अंदर आ जाएगा. सो जिसकी पॉकेट है वो बहुत स्पेशियस है. यू कैन कीप योर सैनिटाइजर एंड मास्क एंड फ़ोन और keys, you can just keep them. Or COVID time the sanitizer is a must essential. So yeah, you can keep your sanitizer as well. So yeah, I chose this outfit. Back में इसकी chain है and yeah, the pants are not narrow, they are quite wide and yeah, I love this outfit. So yeah, I just chose this outfit and will be wearing this. For the second category I had footwear and for that I asked them for the flats or heels and I was surprised with the answer that my friends chose heels. So the third category was the accessory category. इसके लिए मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं पूछा but it was a yes or no poll. So उसके लिए they all just agreed upon a yes. So for the accessory part I chose 3 accessories. One, the first accessory जो मैं हमेशा हर फैशन अपना ज़्यादा पेयर करना चाहती हूँ इज़ वॉच. आई जस्ट लव वियरिंग वॉचेस एंड स्पेशली विद वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स. वॉचेस जो ये बहुत अच्छे से जाती हैं, बहुत फॉर्मल लुक देती हैं एंड इट लुक रियली स्मार्ट. द सेकंड एक्सेसरीज आई विल बी पेयरिंग इज अ पेयर ऑफ ब्रेसलेट्स एंड या आई जस्ट लव दीज ब्रेसलेट्स. आई जस्ट लव दीज ब्रेसलेट्स. द थर्ड एक्सेसरी इज अ स्लिंग. Like I just love this sling. It has some glitter work on the front part and it's plain from back. It has a long chain. You can carry it like this in your hand as you are comfortable and yeah, the chains are also nice. It has a very good space in it and yeah, this clutch is so versatile. आप इसको साड़ी, सूट, western में like I am choosing jumpsuit here. You can choose any western outfit, bodycon dress, flare dress. Like you can take this, pair it with any of these dresses and it will look warm. So yeah, I have these 3. The fourth category was the light or dark makeup poll for which I got maximum votes for light makeup, and we will be doing it right now. So for my makeup, I have tied my hair back, and now we will be doing makeup. Alright, so I'm done with my makeup, and I have done a very light makeup जो बिल्कुल भी ज़्यादा overdone ना लगे, बहुत natural makeup करा है, and yeah, I just liked it. So the last category was the hair category. So I asked them to tie up my hair or let it be open. So majority answers were open hairs. So yeah, I'll be doing this, and now as I've shared all the information, now we will just change it and create the final look, and I'll show you how it looks. So that's it for the video. I hope you like the challenge, and if you want me to do another challenges, you can comment down below. I'll surely do that. And like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. So until next video, take care. Bye.